So we're camping out here in Colorado, completely boondocking. This is our site. No electric, no water hookups, nothing like that. And this, we're going to show you how Ed has set us up with wonderful hot showers whenever we want and as long as we want.
Which it's morning. We went for a quick drive, but it's time for a shower. We like the sun to get here because was 33 degrees this morning when we got up.
See, it's just
sun's
still
almost
there.
But we did a video on the solar showing that. So everything we have is running off the solar. So I got everything's in there. Got this cord. This is the only thing is kind of, I don't have a external power supply like a Blue Yeti or I forgot some of the brands, but we don't have any of the portable 110 volt supplies. So 50-foot extension cord. We just run it down to our shower site. So I'll go down there, I'll show you my hot water setup. And this was Joolca Ghetto Edition. This cost 99 bucks and some odds and end parts I had laying around.
And the Joolca's $700,
yeah,
I think?
$700, something like that.
And got solar panels up there. That's how he's getting his charging his batteries. Batteries are up in front of the truck, but the view normally here, just to kind of show you, all this area burned 2 years ago. Really bad, devastating fires, all that mountainside. We stayed here the year before the fires and just gorgeous, but you can see what the fires have done. So we got the shower down here by the creek.
But this is my Camp Lux instant propane water heater. On this side, there's a high flow 12 volt pump. And we have basically a computer power supply, but it's a 12 volt one. Plugged in, runs off the extension cord, and a little 5-pound propane tank. So it's very, very, very simple. Luckily, all the hoses and then on the end of my hose down there, I literally just have a basic filter. It's a screen. That I put a top of a sock on. So that just keeps us from getting any kind of big chunks or anything. Very, very simple. And here we're using mountain creek water. So we're pretty much to the top of the mountain, so it's pretty darn clean. And this is the actual head. It came with a short hose, a little red hose.
That came with the Camp Lux.
It came with the Camp Lux, and this shower head came with it. We love it. Bought this hose that's 12 feet long, Amazon. I think it was cheap. Works perfect. Screws right onto the Camp Lux. Screws right onto the shower head. Like I said, it does everything itself. It lights itself. Basically, once you turn it on, pump kicks on, it lights.
Yeah, so you don't have to hardly do anything once you got it all set up.
Yeah, it takes 2D batteries, and then here in just a couple seconds, you can already start seeing the steam come off the water. Hopefully, you can see it on camera.
I can feel warmth by me where I'm at right now. So I don't know if it's this below me or... And then just so you know, that shower head, that's got the massager, which it does have more pressure once it gets going. Or you can do the combine with that and the
there you can
nice
see
shower.
The amount of heat coming off of it.
I mean, I'm warm right here.
Well, you're getting the heat off of it.
Yeah.
But
there, look at that steam. Let me do a zoom. See if I can show you the steam a little better. And you got endless supply of water.
And then same thing, you turn it off.
Yep. And it'll
shut
off.
Shuts off.
And this case is Harbor Freight.
Actually, that was one of your. That case was actually from your drone. It was a drone case.
Oh, that's right. It is. That was a drone case. I was thinking that was the Harbor Freight one. I'll figure out which one it is if I can find the link. That way you'll know the setup.
But a big
fits
Pelican
everything.
fits too, or Harbor Freight one
Yeah,
fits.
just something that'll fit all that, but then he modified it for all this stuff. And then the shower tent, this was Amazon. And it's got dual sides, which that's got the side, it'll completely, that way you can take your shower on that side.
Yeah.
And then this is your dressing room, and it comes with the towel bar. It's got the pouch there. It's got a pouch there for all your shower stuff. So easy to put up and take down. I'm not going to say it's going to handle a real strong windstorm, but I mean...
Which we don't even have it. We don't have it staked. We have it staked at the bottom, but none of the guide wires are.
Yeah, we don't have the guide wires, and we've had some wind already. And it's been fine, but super easy to put up and take down. You don't have to do any of that twisting and curling and cussing to get it back in the case. Now, remember how much this is, but again, I'll find it and link, do the Amazon link down there at the bottom. But that's the setup. I know some people say you shouldn't use the creek water and all that. We love it. You can have the shower, water goes right back in. All of our soaps and everything are the biodegradables. We actually use a lot of reef safe stuff, which is also biodegradable and safe for this kind of use.
I'm gonna turn it on for a few minutes, let it warm up, and I'll show you the steam this thing puts out. Because like I said, it'll turn it into a sauna in there. There's definitely
I'll actually open that side window, or because it gets so, I don't like the sauna feeling. He does, so I'll unzip the window, and I'm actually, like I said, right now there's still frost. There was just a little bit of frost still here. That's how cold it is, and that's how much that warms you up. But yeah, you could start off taking a nice warm shower.
And
no
I've already
got
got steam coming out the back window, which is open. I left the back window open. Hopefully you can see it.
I don't know if you can't really see it on the...
there maybe?
Can't tell if I don't know if you can see it, but
let's try when I unzip.
I'll say I can see it, but...
Let's try when I unzip the front.
Okay. You might be able to see it on camera. I'm seeing it, but I don't know if the camera's actually getting it.
But
just to show you guys how warm.
If you look in here, this is the water you've got.
Yeah, there he's got the pressure. You can see the pressure, but it's nice. I got the real thick curly hair. It takes forever to rinse shampoo and conditioner out, and I actually had no problems. Boy, it's nice and warm right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
But that was just a quick video. Show you
how we do our camp showers. You can take a 20-minute shower if you want, 5-minute, however long you want.
And that little 5-pound propane tank should last a really, really long time. We'll know by the end of this trip how long it'll actually last, because we've both had showers every day, and so far, what is it? This morning will be my 3rd shower,
yeah.
So that's 6 showers so far. And
I've taken 2 showers.
And I take long showers,
yeah.
So.
Yeah, you can't beat it. Long hot showers. We can stay out here pretty much as long as we need. He can charge the batteries. And just show you how awesome this campsite is. There are no neighbors. There's another campsite. Even if they were there, you would not be able to see them. They might be able to hear us talking, but yeah, and will I give the location? No. We're
in Colorado.
Yeah, we're in Colorado. We don't give away locations. I know a lot of people do. We just don't. We've seen some areas completely ruined because of the locations on YouTube. There's a few people we'll share it with and stuff like that, but if you want to hate us for that, okay. But any questions, post them in the comments. I'll try and answer them as much as I can. And like I said, I'll try and do all the links. That way you have an idea. And if you got any questions or need something more in detail, just let us know and we'll try and do another video for you or something. But thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
We're going to sneak up on Ed while he's taking a shower. He's not going to let us peek. He's just too shy. We'll keep this...
Not enough to have a gratuitous shower scene, but...
He's going to keep it PG on us.
Yeah.
But as you can tell, it does work for real. One of those you don't have to pay $700 for the Joolca system, which we really, really wanted until he kind of figured all this out. Or 5-gallon water jugs. I mean, it's however you want.
I think you can get a 5-gallon bucket and bring water in.
And you just conserve your water. You can do it that way easily with this system. And just instead of that sock filter, you just go right into the water jug.
Well, thanks for watching. I'm going to finish my shower.
You want us with you? We can maybe get an inside shot?
No.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys.